Episode 7, The Fueling Series. When abundance becomes a trap. Human physiology evolved in an environment of fluctuation. Periods of abundance were temporary. Periods of scarcity were inevitable. Because of this, the body developed systems designed to respond intelligently to abundance, especially carbohydrate abundance, by storing energy efficiently. This is not a flaw. It is survival biology. In many mammals, this process is obvious. When carbohydrate-rich foods become seasonally available, metabolism shifts towards rapid fat storage. Insulin sensitivity increases. Energy is conserved. The body prepares for what historically came next: scarcity. Humans did not hibernate, but we do share elements of this ancient metabolic logic. When carbohydrates are abundant, insulin rises. Fat storage is prioritized. Fat burning is suppressed. Hunger signals increase. Energy is conserved rather than dissipated. In an ancestral environment, this response was seasonal, protective, and temporary. In the modern environment, it is constant. Carbohydrates are no longer seasonal. They are available all day, every day, in highly processed, rapidly absorbed forms that did not exist during human evolution. The signal that once meant prepare now means store indefinitely. The body does not know that scarcity is no longer coming. It only knows the signal it is receiving. Insulin does not measure morality. It measures availability. And when insulin is chronically elevated, the body is locked into storage mode. Fat accumulation accelerates. Energy availability inside the cell declines. Hunger persists. Inflammation rises. Metabolic flexibility disappears. This is not because the body is malfunctioning. It is because it is responding precisely to a signal that never shuts off. This is why moderation fails for so many people. A small amount of carbohydrate is still interpreted as abundance. A little cheat is still a powerful metabolic signal. The system does not average, it responds. This is also why people feel temporarily better when they return to carbohydrate intake. Insulin rises, stress hormones fall, withdrawal ends. The addictive loop closes. But relief is not repair. The same signal that soothes the nervous system short term continues to drive insulin resistance, fat storage, and metabolic dysfunction long term. Health does not come from managing symptoms. It comes from changing signals. When carbohydrate intake is reduced and protein becomes the primary driver of intake, insulin normalizes, fat burning resumes, hunger stabilizes, inflammation decreases, the body exits emergency storage mode. Not because it was forced, but because it was finally given a clear message. In episode 8 of the Fueling series, we will look at what happens next, how insulin resistance and gut permeability become the gateway to chronic inflammation and autoimmune dysfunction.